Okay, so we're back again at Johnson Road. Gavin's finished painting the front door. Painting's done here. So I was here 2 days ago. No, yesterday actually. The flooring's now in. So we've almost it's done its best to match the two flooring. It's difficult to see here, but it does actually match quite well. I think that's just a bit older. That's the flooring here. The carpet's gone in, so I'm here now to quickly take some preliminary marketing pictures. So as you can see, the carpet's upstairs. It looks like a proper house once the pub goes down. Take marketing pictures and videos, get the ads going so that we can start getting prospective tenants in to take viewings. While the viewings are taking place, then we can do the snagging. But as you can see, everything's more or less done, just the finishing touches left to do. And it's always nice for tenants to see that work is being done, that everything literally is brand new for them, and that's always really help sell the property, because it's a nice thing to have, isn't it? Knowing that you're the first person to live here and that everything is brand new for you, and everything's been done for you as the tenant. Yep, that's it. So I won't do the snagging video yet. I think I'll give that another week. Just because there's a lot of stuff around, and I'm sure Gavin already knows what he needs to do. So I don't want to pick them up, only to point out what he already has planned. It would just save. It would just be wasting everybody's time. So I'll let him do everything he needs to do first, clear up, and then I'll then go around and do a snagging video. All right, see you.